Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be unboxing my new Square Reader. Let's get into it. I am so excited to bring this video to you guys. I am on my third Square Reader now. So the first Square Reader that I had was this little guy right here that you just plug into your phone and you just slide the card. Love it. I want to say this was free when I first started. And then, but the sliding the card is less secure than the chip or the tap in case someone tries to say that they didn't get their product or whatnot. So then I upgraded to this contactless. So this guy here has a little card slot. So you can either use the chip or you can tap. It's so fast, it's so efficient. I think I paid $100 for this guy. It has been so great. I've loved having this. The only setback to this is I do have to use my phone, and if I'm trying to let someone do a receipt or something, then they have to touch my phone, and phones are not cheap these days. So that is why I got a new device. So I used the profits from the Diagon Alley show. If you haven't watched that review video, I'll have it down below. Lots of tea at that show. All right. And what's funny is when I went to order this, I couldn't even just order it right away. I had to request to be allowed to order it and verify my account and stuff. So that was pretty crazy. I also have this video. It's my top video ever. It's 5 ways to make your Square Reader work harder for you. And because of that video, I've had a lot of referrals on Square, so I was able to get a discount on this. So I was so grateful. Thank you so much to everyone who's watched that video. This is, it's the Square Terminal. I am so excited. Okay, I am gonna bring you guys closer so we can do this unboxing. Oh, it fits like a glove. So pretty. It says flat rate pricing, secure payments, easy setup, fair pricing, fast deposit, security made easy, get up and running quickly, 24/7 phone support. So I'm really hoping that this makes me more professional, and it's a lot easier than using my phone. It's got contactless, it's got chip, and it's got the mag swipe. So super excited. Let me bring you closer and we'll unbox this guy. Here it is up close. Please forgive me that my nails are not perfect. Let me just show you guys these real quick before we move on. So this is the chip one, or not the chip, the one that goes into your phone, and then this guy is the contactless. So I'm also hoping that I can use this in my phone as well as the terminal at the same time if I have more than one person able to help me and we're able to ring up more than one transaction. Okay, go ahead, cut it here, cut it here. Off. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I don't know what all these pieces are. This is obviously the printer tape. Okay, so let's open the instructions here. Okay, Square Terminal. The front. Okay, so this is the chip card slot right here. This is where you swipe. This is the printer door. This is the USB-C port. And then this is the power button. So can we power it on? Can we power it on? I guess not. Okay, let's see here. What's in the box? The terminal, the power adapter. So that's this guy. And then the power cable. What is the difference? Oh, this is like a crazy cable. Check this out. So this, it's like a laptop cable. So you have this guy here, right? And this. plugs into this. And that's how you charge it. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty intense. Okay, so that's how you charge it. And then you don't have to have it plugged in to use it. That's just to charge it. It does keep a charge. Okay, so now we got to open this and we're going to put the roll in. So the roll goes, let's take this off, right? They definitely don't make this easy. Holy moly. And I did not buy more printer paper. There we go. I'm hoping that I can turn the setting on where it does not automatically print, because I think that's a waste of paper. I like having the ability to do it if I wanted to, though. Like if someone wants a receipt, I can print a receipt, but I don't want it to automatically print a receipt. Okay, so it goes outwards. Okay, shut it. Okay, and I'm glad that this happened. So I didn't know what the charging port was going to be on this guy. So I have the newest iPhone and it takes USB-C, which is a pain in the butt. And my power bank that I've had for ages, this is what I take to shows with me, my little cable thing, only has USB, what is the word for this? I'm going to mess it up, but whatever word this is, USB-A. And my cable is C to C, so I can't use this. So I ended up having to buy a new power bank, and I'm actually in love with this power bank. Look how beautiful this is. And this is how you charge it, so you don't need additional cable. And then I can charge my phone because it has USB-C. I could charge someone who has an Apple. I could charge someone who has an Android. Love it. And now that means I could charge this guy. I bet it's not a great charge because this requires a lot of power, but it's better than nothing. And I'm hoping that having this guy, so the only downside of this guy is that I do have to hotspot my phone to it to take transactions. So I don't know if that's going to kill my phone, but having my phone to take transactions during shows normally kills my phone. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to try it out this weekend at Leesport Farmers Market, and then I'll try it out again. Next weekend, I will be at Quakertown. So I'll be able to give you guys a better review after those two shows. I'll let you know how it's going. And then, you know, I'll use it for the rest of the holiday season. And we'll have a review video probably in January on, you know, having the, where'd the little guy go? This guy versus this guy versus this guy. But I'm really excited. I've been wanting to buy this for quite a while. Oh, it's turning on. So I am so happy that I was able to do well enough at the Diagon Alley show that I was able to use the money for this. And I'm super excited. Also, like, this is worth less than my phone. So if I were to have someone doing a signature or typing in their phone number for a receipt, this is way less of a risk than handing someone my phone. And I feel like it's a lot more professional. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let me know what you want me to test out. Let me know what you want to know about this. And I will bring you all the details in a review video. I am also hoping that this will allow me to have 2 transactions going on at one time. So if someone's helping me in my booth, they can use this and then I can use the other device in my phone. So I'll let you know how it goes. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.